understanding the IS or 1S error code on an LG refrigerator. LG makes it easy to diagnose problems with your refrigerator should you run into any issues.
A silver display panel on the front of the fridge shows digital codes in the middle and white light.
If an issue occurs, the refrigerator is programmed to communicate diagnostic messages, displayed as codes, that can assist you or a technician in getting the unit back to optimum performance. If you are seeing an IS or 1S error code on your LG refrigerator's display panel, this indicates a failed or disconnected ice maker sensor.
The panel displays an IS error code. A man removes an ice maker from inside the freezer door.
For this particular error code, unfortunately there are no troubleshooting steps that can be performed by the owner to resolve the issue. The refrigerator will require a repair service. Please visit our Request a Repair page to arrange for a technician visit.
A screenshot of the Request a Repair website. Mobile devices are on the left and appliances, TV audio video, and computers are on the right.
For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
Text lg.com/us/support. Twitter, Facebook, Messenger, email, and phone icons. Text: This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information and product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2022. LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company, Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.